Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting what Apple requires: the original sales receipt showing the iPod's serial or IMEI and the Apple ID owner's name. Once done, contact the previous owner and ask them to remove the device from their iCloud account. That's the simplest path. If you cannot reach them, schedule an Apple Support or Genius Bar appointment and bring your proof of purchase and photo ID. Make sure all documents clearly match the device and purchase date before you go. Next, submit a support request. Go to Apple Support and choose Activation Lock Removal or call the local store to make an appointment. You'll upload the proof of purchase and a photo ID. Apple verifies ownership and the device's serial/IMEI against their records. Once Apple confirms, they'll remove the activation lock on their side or give you step-by-step instructions. Be patient. Verification can take time. Keep copies of all documents and track the case number for follow-up. After Apple removes the lock, restart the iPod and sign in with your Apple ID to complete the setup. Make sure Wi-Fi is active and the device shows as unpaired from any iCloud account. If Apple cannot verify ownership, ask the agent to escalate and supply any additional documents you can, like a bank record tied to the purchase. If no valid proof exists, understand that the activation lock cannot be legally bypassed. Stop and seek the original owner or seller instead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.